Okay, now that you've got your MetaMask wallet funded, it is time to onboard or get started with Movequest and purchase your miners. If the person that told you about Movequest gave you an activation link or a link to get started, then use that and get started right away. If they did not, you can always go to movequest.com. So you simply want to type it in to your browser. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on Start Your Journey. Now, if your MetaMask wallet is connected, it may automatically open up. Otherwise, we're going to click on Connect Wallet. Click on Connect. Now, if you were given an activation link by somebody, it will link directly to this page. So once we've connected, it shows our wallet address here. We're going to click on Next. And we're on step 2. Now, if you were given an activation link, it's automatically going to already show the activation code of the person that gave it to you. For example, if I use this activation link and I connect my wallet, it will automatically recognize the activation code. So then you can actually just click Save. But here, if you do not have one, you can always ask the person for their wallet address. You can either type in a wallet address or their username. So if I type in the username here, it says it checks out. So then all we have to do is click Save. It's going to automatically open up your MetaMask wallet. And we can see that it's coming from app.movequest.com, and this is our network fee, and we are going to confirm. And now it's opening up my hardware wallet because I am doing it on a Trezor. So enter my password and then confirm it on the hardware wallet. So that's just logging into the hardware wallet. I do talk about the security of hardware wallets on previous videos. And we click on Next. And now we download the app, and I do have videos on how to download it on the App Store because we're using TestFlight right now until Movequest gets approved in the Apple Store, which should be any time now. But right now we're still using the old non-branded GetFit mining app, and so you have to go through the TestFlight. And I've got a video on movetoearn.club on how to set that up properly. Or you can go to Google Play and it's the GetFit mining app, and you'll go there and download it there. So we just go to Finish Setup. And welcome to Movequest. We're gonna let's get moving.